Imagine creating fun cartoon animation videos without spending money on expensive software, without knowing how to animate, and in just a few easy steps.
Kids love watching these kinds of videos over and over again, and thanks to YouTube's algorithm, they often rack up millions of views. Now, let me show you a quick preview of a cartoon I created using only AI.
In the softest corner of the sky, where clouds bloom like flowers and stars nap in puddles of sunlight, lies a place called Cloudberry Hollow. And there, under a sugar plum tree, lives a shy little bear named Bruno. Bruno's best friends were nothing like him. Nimbus was always floating upside down with laughter, and Tika never stopped leaping from puff to
Pretty cool, right? Now what if I told you you could start your own faceless YouTube channel and make viral cartoon animations like this? For free. No animation skills needed, no complicated software, just 4 simple steps. AI does all the work. And the best part? You can post the same video on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to reach even more people. So if you're ready to let AI be your personal animation studio, keep watching. And let's get started. Step 1. Writing a story. Every great animation begins with a strong script. It's the plan that guides your entire story. Writing a script can seem tough, right? But not anymore. Here's how ChatGPT can make it easier. Go to ChatGPT and in the text box, type or copy this prompt. Give me 10 title ideas for a 3D animated short story for children age 3-7. The story should teach a simple life lesson, like bravery. Each title should suggest a magical setting, such as a forest, island, or cloud world, and include 2-3 cute animal or fantasy characters.
Once ChatGPT gives you some title ideas, choose the one you like best. Then ask ChatGPT to write the script for that title.
I chose the title Bruno the Brave in Cloudberry Hollow.
Copy and paste this second prompt into ChatGPT.
This prompt includes the topic, main characters, setting, moral message, image style, and target audience age. It helps ChatGPT write a complete story, broken down into scenes, with voiceover scripts and AI image prompts that are simple and engaging for kids. Then, click Generate. Once it's done, copy the generated script and paste it into Google Docs or any editor of your choice. To ensure consistency across scenes, you should include details like age, clothes, hairstyle, shoes, and other features to create a good text prompt for making an image. For that, I use a prompt like this. Copy and paste this third prompt into ChatGPT. Don't skip any part, guys. Every minute is important. Now I add these characters' details to every prompt. Here's an example. This is important because image-generating AIs treat each prompt separately. If the character details aren't repeated, the images could differ each time. By organizing your prompts like this, you can make sure the character designs stay the same throughout the story. Once all the image prompts have been updated with the right character details, you'll be ready to create your images. To do this, I suggest using advanced image tools like Leonardo. Step 2. Text to image. Go to leonardo.ai and log in or sign up for a free account. On the dashboard, click on AI Image Generation. To customize the settings in Leonardo AI, in the left panel, for the preset, select Phonionics 0.1. For the style, choose 3D Render. For the image dimensions, select Custom. as the story will be used on the TikTok platform.
Once all the settings are configured, paste your prompt and click Generate.
After a short time, 4 image thumbnails will be generated.
If you're not happy with them, you can click Regenerate to create new images.
Let me tell you something. Click the 3-dot icon at the top right corner of the image and choose Copy Seed. This copies the seed number, which helps keep your character looking the same in future images. Next, go to Advanced Settings in the side menu. Turn on Use Fixed Seed and paste the copied seed number into the box. This makes sure your character stays consistent across different scenes. I am very satisfied with these images and want to download them. The download button is below the image. Now, in the third step, the images generated by Leonardo AI are converted into videos and animations using AI tools such as Kling AI and Halo AI. Step 3. Image to video. Go to Kling AI's website, create an account or log in if you already have one. Kling AI offers a free plan that provides users with 166 free credits per month upon logging in. From the left menu, click on AI Videos. Click the Upload button and choose the image you want to turn into a video. Then, in the prompt box, you can type your ideas for how you want the image to be animated. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you create the best prompt. Go to the scene where you want to create the video, copy the visual prompt, then copy the following prompt and add it to the first one.
ChatGPT will give you a specific prompt for the scene you want to create using Kling AI.
Copy the prompt and paste it here, then click Generate. After a short time, my image is turned into a video and shown on the screen. I can play the video, and below the video frame, there is a download button. Now let me show you how you can also use Halo AI to create more videos. Go to Halo AI's website and create an account or log in. By logging into your Halo AI account each day, you receive 100 free credits. These credits allow you to generate videos without any cost. Go to Create Video. Then click the Upload button and choose the image you want to turn into a video. Then, in the prompt box, you can type your ideas for how you want the image to be animated. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you create the best prompt. Now, let me show you another way to create a motion prompt. First, hit the plus button at the bottom of the ChatGPT chat bar, then upload the image you want to turn into a video. After that, go to the following prompt. Replace the word Kling AI with Halo AI. Then, copy the prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT search box and click Generate.
ChatGPT will generate an animation prompt that includes all the necessary elements to create a complete video on the Halo AI website.
Copy the prompt and paste it here, then click Generate. After a short time, my image is turned into a video and shown on the screen. Repeat this for all images, ensuring that each one follows the story's flow.
Once all the images are turned into a video, you'll have a smooth animation ready to share with your audience. Now, let's move on to the final touches. Step 4. Voiceover Creation, ElevenLabs.
Go to the ElevenLabs website and sign up or log into your account. Select the text-to-speech option. Look through the voice library and choose a voice that fits your story best. Next, choose the voice model. You can adjust the stability setting to make the voice sound more consistent, but if you set it too high, the voice may sound flat, especially with long texts. If it's too low, below 30%, the voice might sound unstable. So I recommend setting the stability between 32 and 40. Next, adjust the similarity enhancement. A higher value makes the voice clearer and more like the chosen speaker, but setting it too high can cause glitches. I suggest setting it around 42. For style exaggeration, you can leave it at 0. Then go back to your script, copy the dialogue or narration, and paste it into ElevenLabs. Once everything is set, click Generate. Listen to the voiceover, and if you're happy with it, download the one you like best. Repeat this process for the rest of your script. Now that we have our voiceover and visuals ready, let's put everything together. I'm using CapCut for editing because it's easy to use and works well. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import all the files you made. Put the visuals on the timeline, then drag and drop your audio files onto it, Arrange your animated scenes in the right order based on your script. Add transitions between clips to improve the flow of your video and maintain viewer interest.
If you want to make the video even more engaging for viewers, CapCut allows you to easily add captions. This is great for accessibility and helps keep viewers hooked.
Edit the captions using templates in different fonts. You can also add the sound effects where suitable and included background music. The video is now complete. Preview your video to check if it flows well. When you're happy with it, export your video. The video export has started. Once it's done, I'll show you the final result.